Now we will do a mini project with JavaScript. The name of the project is light bulb. We need two pictures to create this project: bulb off, another is bulb on. Okay, it's GIF format. Now open the HTML file. Okay, document, title, light bulb. Okay, F5, run, promo. Okay, title light bulb. Okay, image source bulb of .gif okay, alternate bulb of. Okay, refresh, see. Okay, now refresh, show alternate. Okay, use ID my image, refresh, perfect. Here also use style, body. Okay, text alien, center, perfect. Use the heading 3. Okay. Light bulb. Okay, now let's create two buttons for on and off the bulb. Button, turn on, button, turn off. Refresh the browser. Okay, let's add a script into the button. On click, when we click this button, okay, turn on button, document dot get element by ID. Okay, ID name, add the buttons to the my image ID. We will add image source here, dot source equal to, okay, turn on bulb on dot gif, bulb on dot gif. Refresh the browser, click the turn on button, see. Okay, perfect. Okay, button on click, when we click change with this source. Okay, okay, now add here, unclick, document dot get elements by id, id name, my image dot source equal to bulb of dot jf. Okay, now refresh, turn on, turn off. Worked perfect.